Come here, Daplin. Oh, here's your balloon. Hey, Lala.
So I propose that our tourism area to have a huwag magmamot ng mga ginagawa.
Are you happy?
Mga kaupat doon na mga elderly sa ating mga kids. Sige, mindful of your food. And if the procedure, may go po tayo so that maganda po at
What's that? Maddie, what's that? Maddie, what's that? Maddie, look here. Look. What's that? Thank you. Yay! Be, show me, Be. Wow.
Go Jollibee! Go Jollibee! Yay! Get your prize! Get your prize!
And to those who are lining up at our photo booth, maglalagay na lang po kami ng this afternoon's program.
Again.
Again, magpapagawa ng ating mga photo booth.
This to the max. Please just rewind. Let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Let us all welcome. Join us for the game segment. Ano mo lang man may energy na preserve na nila. Ay, unya, usaka daw sila doon. Naog na po daw sila. Okay. Who wants to play games? Taas ka mo! Naghantay na pataas ang kamot pero wala yung energy. Okay, once may sa ating line of Jolly, you will all say B. Ready? Jolly! Louder! Jolly! Gusto sila magdula. Unsa man ang langga, mulumbat mo baklay. Unsa man ang langga? And we go! Very good! Go, 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 go! And you shot! So you're a pressure. Halos lahat ng bata naka-cellphone na. Yes, but you know what? My nephews are there. So shout out to Chico and Chad. I remember yung mga younger days pa nila.
music by, so clap your hands!
Tanawa yung hands. Tanawa yung hands. Tanawa yung hands, ha? Tanawa yung... Yeah, clap your hands.
Louder, alright? And I want you to
Be, pretty face.